What's up? Apa khabar? Vanakkam ni hao. Alright guys, now we are in Tosong Station. I mean outside of Tosong Station. So we basically took a train from Nanjong to Somyeon, took a switch train at Somyeon to Tosong. So now we're going to mana? Culture Village. Dongjong Village. So this is the guest of the day.
Guest of the day. Let's go.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to the culture village and I'm gonna show you guys the view from there. See you guys over there. Alright guys, so now we're walking to the bus station. So we gotta take a bus to that
Culture village.
Culture village. So this is their hospital, Busan Cancer Center. Wow.
If you have cancer, you can visit here.
செய்திகள் வாசிப்பது pearl white பச்சைமுத்து. Alright guys, after taking a bus we have arrived at Gamcheon Culture Village. Look at the view. This is amazing. So this is Gamcheon Culture Village. Wow, the weather is fucking hot lah, wait. I don't know what's the temperature. I think it's like more than 34 degrees like that maybe. So now we're just walking around Gamcheon Culture Village and then we're gonna go like to a few other places over there and then maybe we'll go back. Because it's too hot. But this place is very nice actually. So for those who are asking how to get to this place, is actually easy. So if you're from Dongji University, all you have to do is take a bus from the Student Plaza and then get down near the Nanjang train station. From the Nanjang train station, take a subway to Somyeon, and from Somyeon you have to change to line 1 towards Tosong. If you see Toesong, Tosong, so you just take to that exit to Tosong station, and from there you get down. Just walk towards a bus. There's a bus stop nearby. Oh, to look at the puppy. Illa pet pannalam. So we're going up to take nice photos, but I cannot go up. So see you guys up there. I want you all to meet a friend from Tamil Nadu. He came all the way from Tamil Nadu, Korea. Unga peru?
Raghavendra.
His name is Raghavendra. So it's one of the odds to meet an Indian guy from Tamil Nadu and he speaks Tamil. So how long are you gonna stay here?
I'll be leaving by next week to India.
Being next week to India. So very nice to meet you, Raghavendra. Hope to see you soon again. Alright, Papa. Alright. Going up some more again. Up there. Alright guys, we managed to come to the top after taking a lot of photos, and the pathway is amazing, all flowers. So we're gonna go up and we're gonna take some more photos. So I think there's like culture station, you can buy some keychains. One thing about this place is very clean. This place is very clean. Photo location. It's like many souvenir shops over here. So like there's the Grand Budapest Royal Hotel. And this is the view from the top, which is as usual amazing. So I'm gonna go down there. She went down there. Hi. So basically you have to go down this staircase. It's small. Watch your head. Alright. Here we are. Top view, guys. Alright guys, this is another spot for taking pictures. It's like the top part of the Gamcheon Culture Village. So this is Gamcheon Culture Village and this is one of the tourist spots to take pictures. So they are taking pictures. Okay. Finally got myself umbrella. Damn hot. So like we walked like from, I don't know, we came from down there, I think. Somewhere down there. Yeah, I think over there. Then now we are all the way climbed up. And we are here. So that's the sea, I think. So after this we're gonna go down and then maybe head back home because it's so tiring. Alright guys, we're done with the sightseeing at Gamcheon Culture Village and now we're taking the subway. And cut பண்ண மாட்டேன். Hi guys, so we are done with the Gamcheon Culture Village and we are so done.
We are so exhausted.
Ni muka exhausted. Buat muka exhausted.
I found someone yang sangat exhausted sana.
Papi. Exhaustion level 9999999. So now we're going back to our university. So that's pretty much it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and also if you all come down to Busan, Korea, you all should know where to visit Gamcheon Culture Village. Okay? So see you guys in my next vlog. That's all for today. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye bye. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give a thumbs up for this video if you like it. So see you guys in my next vlog.